Pippa's Chinese New Year. Pippa and George are at the playgroup. "Good morning, children," says Madame Gazelle. "Today is a lucky day. It is my birthday," asks Danny Dog. "No," guggles Madame Gazelle. "It's Chinese New Year." Miss Rabbit brings in lots of paper lanterns. She's going to be a helper today. Chinese New Year is about family and good fortune, say Madame Gazelle. "Let's celebrate together. Everyone cheers! Hooray!" The children make Chinese New Year cards. "Why are all the cards red?" wonders Peppa. "In Chinese, red is a very lucky color," replies Madame Gazelle. "My dress is red," quills Peppa. "I must be extra lucky." "Is anyone feeling hungry?" asked Miss Rabbit, bringing out a tray of food. "We are!" shout all the children. There are sweeties, tangerines, and little biscuit called fortune cookies. "I like Chinese New Year," decided Danny, picking up 2 sweets. In the afternoon, Madame Gazelle helps everyone get dressed in smart clothes. Madame Gazelle shows them picture of China. "This house is called a pagoda," she said. "Repeat after me." "Pagoda," giggles George. Madame Gazelle claps her hands. Now she smiles. "It is time for the Chinese New Year parade." "Wah!" cries George. George points out of the window. "There is a scary dragon in the playground." "Wah!" We cry. The mummies and daddies arrive. The sky up with fireworks. Pop, 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 pop. "We got here just in time," says Daddy Pig. "Wasn't that lucky?" "Yes, it was, Daddy," giggles Pippa. "Happy New Year!" Oh. Thanks for watching, kids. Subscribe for more. Bye.